Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English podcast. I'm Tom.
And I'm David.
We're very happy you're here today. Today's topic is talking about your hobbies. Simple English, real conversation. Yes, this lesson is for beginners. Easy words, short sentences. You can listen, you can repeat, you can practice with us. If you like learning English this way, please like the episode, subscribe to the channel, and share it with a friend. All right, take a deep breath. Let's start. You're doing great already. Easy conversation practice. Part 1. What is a hobby? David, let me ask you a simple question. What is a hobby? Good question, Tom. A hobby is something you like to do in your free time. Yes, not work, not school, just for fun. For example, reading, cooking, playing games. Listener, let's repeat together. A hobby is something I like to do. Good job. Say it again, slowly. Now let's learn a very common question. Listen first. What is your hobby? Again, what is your hobby? Listener, your turn. Say it out loud. Nice. Your English is improving. David, I'll ask you. What is your hobby? My hobby is reading. Simple and clear. Let's repeat the pattern. My hobby is. Examples. My hobby is cooking. My hobby is drawing. My hobby is playing football. Listener, pause the podcast. Say your hobby, then come back. Welcome back. Good job for trying. Now another easy way to talk about hobbies. Tom, I like. Examples. I like music. I like dancing. I like watching movies. David, what do you like? I like listening to music. Nice sentence, short and natural. Listener, repeat with us. I like. In real life, we ask more questions. Tom, when do you do it? Example answer. I do it in the evening. Tom, how often do you do it? Example answer. I do it every day. I do it on weekends. Listener, repeat. I do it every day. Great, that sounds very natural. Now a short real conversation. Tom, hi David, what is your hobby? My hobby is cooking. Nice, when do you cook? I cook in the evening. How often do you cook? I cook every day. Very good English. Now listener, listen again, then repeat each line after us. Now let's talk about some common beginner mistakes. Gently. Many learners say, my hobby cooking. That's close, but we say, my hobby is cooking. Don't worry about mistakes. Mistakes mean you're learning. Yes, every mistake is progress. Now let's sound more friendly now. Tom, in my free time, I like. Example, in my free time, I like playing games. David, your turn. In my free time, I like reading books. Nice and natural. Listener, say one sentence about your free time. Now listen carefully. My hobby is music. I like listening to music. I listen in the evening. Simple, clear, real English. Listen again, then repeat. If this feels slow, that's okay. Slow English is good English. You are learning step by step. You don't need perfect English, you need clear English. And you're doing great. Keep learning English. Free time. Free time means time after work or study. Listen first. In my free time, I like reading. Again, in my free time, I like reading. Listener, your turn. Say it slowly. Good job. You sound very clear. Now, let's add one small detail. In my free time, I like reading books. Or, in my free time, I like playing games. David, tell me about you. In my free time, I like watching movies. Nice sentence, simple and real. Now we learn a new question. Why do you like it? Example answer: because it is fun. Other easy answers: because it is relaxing. Because it makes me happy. Listener, repeat after us. Because it is fun. Now, let's listen to a short conversation. What is your hobby? My hobby is music. Why do you like it? Because it makes me happy. Very nice. Now listen again. Listener, repeat after us. Many people talk about hobbies on weekends. On weekends, I like... Examples. On weekends, I like cooking. On weekends, I like playing football. David, your sentence. On weekends, I like spending time with my family. That's great English. Now, easy yes or no questions. Do you have a hobby? Answer: yes, I do. Or, no, I don't. Do you like music? Yes, I do. No, I don't. Listener, answer for yourself. Let's hear some common hobbies. Reading, cooking, music, walking, watching videos. Listener, which one is your hobby? Say one word. That's okay. Small steps are good steps. Some learners feel shy. They think, my English is not good. But practice makes English better. You don't need long sentences. Short sentences are perfect. Like this: I like music. Now listen carefully. My hobby is cooking. I cook in the evening. I cook on weekends. Listen again. Now repeat slowly. Great job! Your confidence is growing. Let's review today's key sentences. In my free time, I like. On weekends, I like. Why do you like it? Because it is fun. You can use these sentences with friends, at work, or online. Now, our question for you. Tell us in the comments, what do you like to do on weekends? One simple sentence is enough. We are proud of you. Keep listening. Keep practicing. See you in the next episode. Bye. You're learning English step by step. Let's recap today's key phrases. What is your hobby? My hobby is eating. I like eating. In my free time, I like eating. You can use these sentences every day. Now our question for you. Tell us in the comments, what is your hobby? Write one simple sentence. No pressure. We read your comments. We learn together. Thank you for listening. Keep practicing. See you next time. Bye.